What's the meaning of crystallize? Crystallize. Crystallize.
Crystallize. Crystallize. The term crystallize means to form or cause to form into a crystal or crystals. When a substance crystallizes, its molecules align in a rigid and ordered pattern, creating a solid structure with well-defined edges and angles. This process often occurs when a liquid is cooled down or when a solution of a solute in a solvent becomes saturated with the solute. The result is usually a pure and visually striking substance, with a regular and symmetrical shape that reflects the internal arrangement of its atoms or molecules.